Okay, so this is Pink. She's available, and she's also 7 weeks as of yesterday. 17.7 pounds, had her first shots, and she's really super quiet, really mellow and sweet. Yeah, there she is, huh? You're just a good girl, aren't you? She's just super precious. Yes. Yellow is a lot more energetic, a lot more adventurous. Pink is more reserved and, yeah. She doesn't look like she has any white on her chest. Oh yeah, there it is. There's a tiny, tiny little snippet. But most of them were born without white, or a lot of white. Some of them have some French manicures or pedicures on, like, 2 toes or something. But they're pretty much all blue, huh? Yeah. And she's just so sweet. Hi. Hi, pretty, pretty girl. Hi, pretty, pretty girl. Yeah. Sorry, somebody's drinking in the background. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you for the kisses. She's giving me kisses. Yes, thank you for the kisses. Hi. Hi, thank you. And they are ready to go. They're ready to go to their new homes. And we only have the 2 left, the yellow, which is the one I just videotaped, and this one. They are eating just fine and playing and kissing and sleeping and doing all the good things. So they're ready for new homes. Yeah. Hi, thank you for the kisses. So text me if you have any questions or if you're interested in her. We've got a lot of interest, so I know the weekend's coming up, and I imagine that both these girls will probably be gone since they're ready to go home.